guys, this is Gwen and today I'm going to share with you how to start making a budget. Let's go! So I need you to grab like a pen and a paper and well, let's do this! So the first one, in order for you to start making a budget is to, well, follow step one, which is to calculate your after-tax income or your take-home pay. So an after-tax income is what remains of your paycheck after the taxes are taken out or any other deductions. Deductions such as, well, estate and taxes and VAT and whatnot, and what else? Premiums like SSS, Pag-ibig, PhilHealth, and any other deductions that your company needs to take out from your pay. So if you're an employee with a steady paycheck, you won't have any problems calculating this. It will be shown in your payslip. If you are an entrepreneur or a freelancer, you may need to manually compute this for yourself. So step two is to track all of your expenses. So for the first like 2 to 3 months, I think 3 months is a good place to start. Track down everything that you spend your money on, from rent, utilities, eating out, your groceries, all those things, and continue to track all of these things for the next 3 months. Now, why do I need you to track all of these down? Well, we'll move on to step number 3. Once you have that list that goes on for about 3 months, you need to categorize them. So how do you categorize it? Well, first, there's transportation. So what goes under the transportation category? Well, if you ride a jeepney, if you have a motorcycle, then gas and other expenses that go with that, or if you're the kind who does Grab or Angkas, then that goes on the transportation category. Another one would be food. And food would be the groceries that you buy, the things that you buy in the wet market, I guess. Yes. What else? Eating out, lunch at the company cafe. If they don't offer that for free, then you should write that down under food. And any other things, hobbies. What else? Utilities. Utilities are like water, electricity, all those things. Categorize everything. And step number 4 is to differentiate your wants from your needs. So after you've categorized everything, try to put like a tag for each of those, if this is a want or if this is a need. For example, jeepney fare, that is a need. You can't go to work without paying the fare, or essentially, ayaw mo pamukong, guys. And then what else? Food, is carinderia food a want or a need? I guess that's a need. Is Starbucks a want or a need? It's a want. You can just go ahead and get the cheap-ass coffee. Sometimes it's even free if you're working for a large company, right? So Starbucks, want. Regular coffee, need. Okay, now that we've sorted that out, we move on to step number 5, which is that if you have debt, list down each and every kind of debt that you have, along with the due dates and the expected date that it's going to be paid off in full. So like if you got a new phone and it's payable for 24 months, so that's 2 years, so write that down. whenever it's due on the 25th, then you write that down as well. So this is so that you can see where all of your money, each and every peso, is going. And I will be sharing during the course of the next few videos that I'll be making, I'll be sharing some of the different ways that you can further manage your budget. But for now, this is how you start out with budgeting, and I hope this helps you. It's going to be like a journey, guys. You don't have to do it right the first time. It's a journey. If students are watching, then you can definitely do this with your allowance. You can just, you know, cut out step 1, I guess, for taxes. Your parents don't tax you, right? I hope not. But anyways, I digress. That's it. Now you have a clear view on how you're going to allocate each and every peso from your income, from your allowance. And that, my friends, is how to start a budget. If you have any other tips for me or for everyone who's watching, you can leave them in the comment box below. If you have questions, you can also leave them there. I'll be sure to read them, or at least I will do my best to do that. And as always, I leave you with this message that your best life starts when you decide. So, bye!